In this video, I'm going to review Shareasale.com. We will look at its features, cost, user experience, pros and cons, and more. So by the end of this video, you're going to have a better understanding whether Shareasale is the right option for you. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to Shareasale, then make sure to use my link down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get right into it. Let's kick things off with an overview. Jumping into the world of affiliate marketing means picking a platform that matches well with your advertising efforts and business goals. Shareasale is a well-known network in affiliate marketing and has been a key player in this field, linking businesses and affiliates for more than 2 decades. It serves as a gathering place where businesses, also known as merchants, looking to advertise their products or services link up with bloggers, influencers, and website owners, affiliates. The affiliates promote the business's stuff and in return get a piece of the pie as a commission. Let's now take a deeper look at the features of Shareasale. Expansive affiliate network. Shareasale boasts an impressive and diverse network of over 16,000 merchants and hundreds of thousands of affiliates, spanning various niches. This abundance creates a thriving marketplace where affiliates can find relevant products and service to promote, while merchants gain access to a substantial promotional force. Robust tracking and reporting. Leveraging real-time tracking, Shareasale offers users instantaneous data on clicks, sales, and commissions, underpinned by a 60-day cookie period that fairly attributes sales to affiliates. Advanced tracking ensures that each click is accurately traced back to its origin, providing both parties with transparent and reliable reporting. Diverse commission structures. Merchants have the flexibility to structure commissions in a multitude of ways, be it pay-per-sale, pay-per-lead, or pay-per-click. This diverse selection enables affiliates to align with programs that harmonize with their promotional strategies and audience behaviors. Automated and customized ad delivery. Shareasale offers auto deposit, a feature that ensures merchants never run out of funds, and product ad widgets that let affiliates easily create customizable and dynamically updated ad spaces on their platforms. Affiliate API. The platform provides a comprehensive API that allows affiliates to fetch and display selected merchant offers, deals, and relevant information in real time, enhancing the way promotions can be delivered and integrated on their platforms. Merchant Marketplace. Affiliates can explore the merchant marketplace to easily find and join affiliate programs. With the Power Rank system, they can quickly identify top-performing merchants while using the advanced search and filter options to pinpoint opportunities that align with their niche and audience. Creatives and tools. From banner ads and text links to product data feeds, Shareasale provides a plethora of creative materials and tools to assist affiliates in crafting compelling promotional content. Merchants, on the other hand, can utilize the interface to create and manage these materials, ensuring brand consistency and optimized conversion assets. Affiliate segmentation. Merchants have the ability to segment their affiliates into groups, allowing for targeted communication and specialized program terms. This ensures that bespoke marketing approaches can be applied to different affiliate segments, optimizing promotional efforts and strategic alignments. Fraud prevention. With an inbuilt fraud detection system, Shareasale strives to safeguard the interests of merchants by monitoring for potentially fraudulent affiliate activity, ensuring that sanctity and reliability of promotional engagements. Support and knowledge base. Shareasale underpins its offerings with a robust support system, including live chat, email support, and a comprehensive knowledge base. These resources aim to guide users through their affiliate marketing journey, troubleshoot issues, and facilitate optimal utilization of the platform's features. So, what do other users have to say about Shareasale? The Shareasale website gets mixed reviews from its users. Beginners usually like its easy-to-use design, simple directions, and lots of choices when it comes to businesses and ads to promote. However, for people new to the platform, having so many options can sometimes be too much and make it hard to choose the best program to join. On the other hand, businesses like having access to a big group of people ready to promote their products, but some wish they had more detailed control over choosing and managing their promoters. Still, what most users agree on is that the platform does a good job of paying on time and offering helpful customer service. Let's now take a look at the pricing structure of Shareasale. For merchants, network access fee. Merchants are required to pay a one-time network access fee, which is $550. This fee is mandatory for all merchants desiring to leverage the Shareasale network and its features. It acts as a gate pass, ensuring that brand gains access to the platform and its myriad of affiliates. Minimum deposit amount. A minimum deposit of $100 is necessitated for merchants, acting as a reservoir for affiliate payouts and potential cashback or rebate programs. The amount functions as a security deposit, ensuring that affiliates are compensated for their promotional efforts in a timely manner. Transaction fee. Merchants are also obligated to pay a transaction fee on each sale made through an affiliate. The fee constitutes 20% of the commission designated for the affiliate. So if a merchant sets an affiliate commission at $10, the additional fee for the merchant per transaction will be $2. Recurring software fee. A monthly software fee may also be applicable, and it would be prudent to direct check with Shareasale or a representative for the most accurate and updated information on this aspect. For affiliates, free access. Affiliates enjoy the luxury of free access to Shareasale. They are not required to pay to join the network, nor are there monthly fees to worry about. The platform offers affiliates a risk-free environment to embark on their promotional journeys, earning commissions on the sales leads or clicks they generate without a need for an initial financial investment. Payout threshold. Affiliates receive their earned commissions once they reach a minimum payout threshold of $50. Payments are processed on the 20th of each month, ensuring that affiliates receive their dues in a predictable and regular manner. Payment methods. Affiliates can opt to receive their earnings via check, direct deposit, or Payoneer, offering a degree of flexibility in how they access their funds. Let's now talk about the pros and cons of Shareasale. Shareasale is popular for good reasons, like having a huge network that links lots of affiliates and merchants, creating lots of chances for partnerships. It's known for sharing clear, real-time data about clicks and sales, and for paying affiliates on time, which is vital for keeping their trust. However, the platform isn't perfect. Some users think it looks outdated, and beginners might feel lost with so many options available. The platform's rich features can also be a bit much for new users, requiring some time to learn and get used to. Despite these hurdles, Shareasale continues to be a powerful platform in the affiliate marketing space. What about other services? Beyond affiliate marketing, Shareasale extends its arms into other services like providing solutions for ad tracking and management, thus catering to a broader spectrum of digital marketing needs. They delve into aspects such as click tracking, banner rotation, and conversion optimization, furnishing marketers with tools to meticulously monitor and tweak their online strategies. While predominantly known for its affiliate network, these additional services further position Shareasale as a multifaceted digital marketing solution accommodating varied promotional requirements. Alternatives. For those contemplating alternatives, platforms like ClickBank, CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission Junction, and Rakuten Advertising spring forth as noteworthy mentions in the affiliate marketing sphere. ClickBank champions digital products and offers a lush landscape for affiliates in niches like health, fitness, and personal development. CJ Affiliate, with its global reach and robust analytics, caters to businesses of various scales. Rakuten, although smaller in scale compared to others, brings forth exclusive brands and a real reputation in the marketplace. In conclusion, embarking on an affiliate marketing journey intertwines multiple facets, from selecting a platform to strategizing promotion. Shareasale stands as a stalwart in the industry, bridging the divide between affiliates and merchants with a robust, albeit occasionally complex platform. With a rich feature set, varying user experiences, and a straightforward pricing model, it presents a viable option for many. However, reflecting on its pros and cons and considering alternatives ensures a well-rounded decision, steering your affiliate marketing voyage in a direction that echoes with your digital aspirations and business goals. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to Shareasale.com, you can use my link down in the description. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe.